You've got nearly 90% of companies private. So if you're trying to build a diversified portfolio of equities and you do it in public markets, you get 10% of the actual pie. It's just not that much. So institutional investors have known this for a long time.
You mean private businesses that are already in the private equity ecosystem?
Or not even in the private equity ecosystem, just not public, right? Just private companies owned by a founder, owned by an individual, owned by private equity, owned by anybody, but just not traded on a public exchange. Meaning you can't get it unless you're accessing it through a private capital fund. And so you really want to have, and our institutional investors have known this for a long time, you want to have exposure to the private markets. And so institutional investors have known this for a very, very long time. It's why they're allocated as much as they are into alternative investments. And individual investors, again, are just now starting to get to this phase. And that, I think, is going to be one of the big trends that we see in the next 10, 15 years, is individual investors now accessing private markets and making that a more core component of their portfolios.
Yeah.